In today's video, I'm gonna give you 10 signs that you have lung cancer. Unfortunately, especially I'm gonna give you one what is probably the number one sign that you have this very serious disease. This is no number one cancer in the man and number three in the woman. The main cause is of course smoking. In fact, the worst thing people do is ignore the early symptoms of the disease. Like most serious diseases, in the early stages of the symptoms are subtle and that you have recognized them. As soon as the symptoms are more serious, the stages of disease is critical. One of the most important things for you to really must know: when you have this kind of disease or any kind of serious disease as lung cancer, it's most important to find out that there are diseases in the earliest stages. That means you must recognize earliest symptoms. If you not recognize the earliest symptoms and you find out later in the later stages that you have this kind of problem, usually and in most cases you will not get better. What are the symptoms of the lung cancer without you being aware of? The first symptom is continuous cough. You must know that smoking in particular has a significant negative effect on the immune system and on development of the cancer. When we talk about cough that do not go away or get worse, another symptom that occurs is coughing up to blood or rust-colored sputum. The cough is accompanied with stimulation of spitting, and in this sputum is rusty or in red color. This phenomenon may very well indicate that you have lung cancer. Furthermore, in the later stages of this disease, you will get weight loss. That means you will get like 5, 10, 50 kilos less in maybe 1 month or 2 months, but you will not know what are the cause of this specific phenomenon. That means weight loss in very short period of time, and you will not know why that is. As a result of decreased immunity and other processes in the body, significantly weight loss without deliberate targeting diet can indicate lung cancer. Also, chest pain that often worsens with the deep breathing, coughing or even laughing. We must be aware of this. Pain in the chest and the lungs as a result of coughing or laughing can indicate lung cancer. Furthermore, you are likely to experience loss of appetite. As disease progresses, the person eats less and less and gradually loses weight. Hoarseness over a long period of time, inability to speak adequately, dryness of the mucous membrane, difficulty breathing can very well present as a consequence of a lung cancer. And usually you will get this chronic fatigue. You will be all the time tired. Also, you will have shortness of breath. That is also symptoms that you may have lung cancer. Also, what is very characteristic of lung cancer is the whistling sound when you inhaling and exhaling. Also, take care of following. In the later stages of lung cancer development, you will have continuous inflammation of upper respiratory tract or lungs. Inflammations that do not go away or keep coming back. Everything that I have listed belongs to initial early stages of the disease, but also to the later ones. As soon you notice any of the above repeating for a longer period of time, especially if you are active or passive smoker and you have chance of developing lung cancer, do not ignore the symptoms. And that is my recommendation for you. If you notice any of these symptoms that I will tell you right now, please visit your medical professional, your doctor, and find out that you have lung cancer, or even better, you will find out that you not have any kind of lung cancer. But as I said before, smoking is number one causes of the lung cancer. Lung cancer is not just probably, is the number one causes of the death and the cancer in the world, especially in the men, of course, for the women. Before you go, I want to recommend you my video. This right here is video about one of the best natural remedies that can help you if you have lung cancer or you want to prevent lung cancer. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.